December, Tuesday, 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 you are going to learn a new concept by name solar system. Now what is solar system? Solar system is nothing but a family of planets. The solar system is nothing but family of planets. What do you mean by family? Family means in your house you have your mother, brother, sister, grandparents, grandmother, uncle, aunt, everybody live in one house, isn't it? In the same way, the solar system is like a house, and in the solar system you have many planets. Planets are like family members, okay, mother, father, sister, brother, like that. So solar system has many planets. In today's class, you are going to learn more about the solar system. Now, where is the solar system? What is solar system? Where exactly is the solar system? You can find the solar system in the sky, okay? You have in the sky the solar system, and also you have something called galaxy in the solar system, in the sky. So in the galaxy, there is one galaxy by name Milky Way. In this Milky Way galaxy, you find stars and planets. Okay, you have stars and planets. You see night time the stars in the sky, the stars and the planets. Today we are going to learn about the planets in the Milky Way galaxy. Which is our planet, children? We live on Earth. So Earth is also one of the planets in the galaxy. So now how many planets we are going to learn about today? Today we are going to learn about 8 important planets in the solar system. Now another important source is sun. You all know sun gives us light. This is actually the star. The sun is also called, it's a star which gives light to almost all the planets in the sky. So let's revise once again. Solar system is nothing but a family of planets. So where is the solar system? Solar system, you will find it in the galaxy. The name of the galaxy is Milky Way. In this Milky Way galaxy, you have stars and planets. Today we are going to learn only about the planets. And how many planets we are going to learn? We are going to learn about 8 planets. And also we are going to learn a little bit about sun, which is the star. Okay. Now let us see the importance of each and every planet and what is the position of the planet from the sun. The first most important thing in our galaxy or in our solar system is sun. So you see this red ball, this is sun. You all know what does the sun give us? Sun gives us light. Okay, it is a natural source of light. Now after the sun, there are these other 8 planets we are going to talk about. Which is the first planet? This is the first planet. The name of this first planet is called Mercury. Okay, what is it called? It's Mercury. It is very near to sun. See here, it is next to sun. So that's why Mercury is called the hottest planet. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಇದು ಸೂರ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಹತ್ತಿರ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸನ್ರೈಸ್ ಬೀಳುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದನ್ನೇನಂತಾರೆ, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಹಾಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್. Next planet is, the second one is Venus. This is called Venus. You see, this is Mercury and this is Venus. So now Venus is called the brightest planet. Brightest planet andre adar melunu sunrays jaasti beelutte and it looks very bright. Alli bedaku jaasti irutte. Okay, now comes so the first one is Mercury, the second one is Venus. Now next comes the most important planet. You can see some green and the blue color. You should guess what planet is this by now. This is our planet. This is Earth. Earth is the planet where we are living. Okay, all the living beings, animals, plants, flowers, birds, human beings, everybody live on Earth. Only on Earth you will find human beings, animals and birds. No other planet has life there. So this is our planet Earth, which is the third planet. Mercury, Venus and Earth. And you see children, this is blue part on the Earth. This blue part is nothing but water. All the green part is called land. Andre ಈ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಈ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನೇನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನದಿಗಳು ಅಥವಾ ಸಿ ಅಥವಾ ಓಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ fourth planet. This is Mars. What is this called? This is Mars. Mars is called red planet. Okay, you see the color of the planet, it is red in color. That is why it is called Mars. Okay, also Mars has lot of ಹೋಲ್ಸ್. ಮಾರ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ರಾಯಚೂರು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಪಾಟ್ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ಗುಂತೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಳೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ ನೀರು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಮಾರ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೂ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಥರ ಪ್ಯಾಚಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ರೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್. ಮರ್ಕ್ಯುರಿ, ವೀನಸ್, ಅರ್ತ್, ಮಾರ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ದ Jupiter. This is called Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Okay, what is it? Jupiter is the biggest planet. You see all the other planets, ivelladakkintu Jupiter doddadagidiyalla. So Jupiter is called as the biggest planet. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars and Jupiter. Now next comes the very important and beautiful looking planet. This is called Saturn. Okay, this is called Saturn. It's very easy to remember the name of this planet because it has a big ring around it. Nodi, illi edukkanna yadukkanna ring idya? Illa, iduk matra ring ide. So the planet Saturn will have a ring around it. So this is called Saturn. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter and next comes the seventh planet, which is called Uranus. Okay, this is called Uranus planet. Okay, which is little green in color. This is called Uranus. Now on the last planet in our solar system, this is Neptune. What is it called? It is Neptune. You see the Neptune is also in blue color and it is very far from sun. Howda? It is very far from sun. So this is the last planet and it is very far from sun. It is called coldest planet. What is it called? It is called coldest planet. Why it is called coldest planet? Because it is very far from sun. It will not get much of sun rays. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸನ್ ರೈಸ್ ಬೀಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾನೆಟ್. Now, so how many planets are there in our solar system, children? There are 8 planets. Which is the main star in the solar system? It is Sun. Sun gives light to all the planets in the solar system. There are 8 planets here. First one is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury is called the hottest planet because it's very near to sun. Venus is called the brightest planet. Then Earth is the planet where you will see only life. Andre jeevana alli matra ide. Ivu yav planet allunu niಮಗೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, animals ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, birds ಕಾಣಿಸಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ Earth ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ you will see the life. The green part is the land and the blue part is called water. Now next comes the Mars. Mars is called red planet. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is called the biggest planet because compared to all other planets, the size of it is big. Next is Saturn, which is called as a ring planet because it has a ring around it. After Saturn you have Uranus, and after Uranus you have Neptune, which is the last planet and it is the coldest planet. Now we are going to show you the live example of how the solar system works with all your teachers, with the help of all your teachers. You have seen which planet comes after which planet. That is the ordinals of the planet, which is the first planet, second planet, third planet, 8th, 4th, 5th and 6th and 7th and 8th planet. But it is not very easy to remember the names of the planets, right? So you have to know which one comes first, which one second. Until you learn 2-3 times, you will not be perfect. But I have a idea for you, okay? you can learn this sentence. Okay, I have written a sentence here. What is the sentence? My very educated mother just served us noodles. Okay, ಈ sentence ಯಾಕೆ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ you see in this word I have underlined M. What does M means? M means the first planet after the sun. Which is the first planet after the sun? It is Mercury. Okay. Next, my very ಅಲ್ಲಿ V ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? V means Venus. Next, educated ಅಲ್ಲಿ E ಅಂದ್ರೆ Earth. Next, my very educated mother. What is mother ali? M. You have to see only the first letter. M means it is Mars. Right? Now again, just ali J andre Jupiter. Served. My very educated mother just served. Served ali S means Saturn. Served us. Us means Uranus. Noodles. You all like noodles, right? So noodles ali. Now noodles. N means Neptune. So this is the order of the planets, which is very, if you remember this sentence, you will easily remember the order of the planets. So according to this, Mercury is the first planet. Yes, Venus is the second planet. You all remember the ordinals, children? First, second, third is the Earth. Mars is the fourth planet. Jupiter is the fifth planet. Now Saturn is the sixth planet. Uranus is the seventh planet. And Neptune is the eighth planet. Understood? So remember this sentence. My very educated mother just served us noodles. In this, the first letter of each word is the name of the planet. So in this order only, if you learn this sentence, you will remember the order of the planets also and the names of the planets. Okay? Try this at home and you have to learn this sentence so that you will remember the names of the planets and their orders in the solar system. Children, in the previous class, you learned about what is solar system, what all you find in solar system in the galaxy, what is solar system, how many planets are there in the solar system. Today you are going to learn the positions of the planets in the solar system, where all they stand and what is the importance of each planet and how they rotate around the sun. Now this is the main source of light, which is sun. So here we have sun. Now I am going to call the first planet which is very close to sun, that is Mercury. So this is Mercury planet. Because it is very close to sun, it is called the hottest planet. Okay, because it's very close to sun, it is called hottest planet. Now the second planet is Venus. So Venus is the second planet in the solar system. So Venus is also very close to sun, but it is little far away from the Mercury. So this is called the brightest planet. Venus is called the brightest planet. Now the third one is Earth, our own planet where we live. You can find all the living things in Earth like humans, animals, plants and birds. Earth is the planet where we live. Now next comes the fourth planet, which is Mars. Mars is called the red planet. Do you see the red color here? The Mars is called red planet. This is called red planets because it is in red in color, and also it has lot of patches on the Mars planet. So this is Mars. Next is Jupiter. Jupiter is the planet. It is called the biggest planet. Compared to all the other planets, the size of Jupiter is big, and it is in orange color. So this is Jupiter. Jupiter is called as the biggest planet. The next comes the ring planet. You should know which is the ring planet by now. The ring planet is nothing but the Saturn. You see the ring here around the planet, there is a ring. This is called Saturn. Saturn is called the ring planet. Next to Saturn, you have nothing but the next planet is Uranus. So Uranus is the next planet. After the next planet Uranus, you have the last planet, which is called Neptune. Neptune is the last planet, and it is very far from the sun. See, the sun is there and the Neptune is here. That is why it will not get much of the sunlight. So this is called as the coldest planet. Neptune is called the coldest planet. Once again, the first planet is Mercury. The second planet is Venus. The third planet is Earth. Fourth planet is Mars. Fifth planet is Jupiter. Sixth planet is Saturn. Seventh planet is Uranus. And the last planet is Neptune. Okay. Now you have seen the positions of the planets. Now all the planets, how they are standing, they won't be standing like that in the solar system. They keep rotating around the sun. We have a sun here, and they keep rotating around the sun. Let us see how they rotate around the sun now. Now children, let us see how the planets revolve around the sun. So they are going to revolve around the sun. They are not going to stand in one place. They are always revolving around the sun. Now let us see how they revolve. So children, this is the way all the planets revolve around the sun. They are not going to stay in one place. They are going to keep on rotating around revolving around the sun.